Hello, welcome back to Murder's Curiosities, and today I'm going to be flying a drone inside a house. Do not try this at home. First, try outside, and then when you get the hang of it, try it inside. Okay, so I have my brothers here, and I'm about to start the Tello. I'm using a Tello. Okay, let me just connect it. Here we go. I'm going to bring it upstairs. There we go. Here we go. No puedo.
No, tú traes. ¿Eh?
I'm recording it on here. No. No puedes hacer eso. Here we go. Alright, into my bedroom. Yep. I keep all my Nerf stuff right here. Yeah, this is just half of it. A couple of toys. Batman bed. Stickers. Okay, I'm bringing it back downstairs. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Ese antes usando más
No, no.
seis grandes. Hay que matar aquí, ¿no? Matamos negro.
Here we go.
Hay que matar aquí. Hay que matar negro. Hay que estar aquí. De aquí y mató.
Eduardo, quiero correr. Okay.
Dice correr.
Sorry. So much fun doing this work. Okay. Here's our kitchen. And yeah. I have a lot of consoles. Okay. I'm going to try to catch it in my hand. Not like catch it right now. I'm going to land it in my hand. Wait. No. Bring it to me. Try this again. Confirm.
So donut. Lugar rin.
Didn't catch it.
Lugar rin sa
Okay.
donut.
Whoops.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so phone fell and it didn't catch the drone. Okay, so I'm gonna try it again.
Mucho
I'm gonna catch it in my hand. At least I'm gonna try. Here we go. Hand landing. Yes. Got it. Okay. Let's see what settings I have here. Throw and go. Yes. It worked. That was actually awesome. We did for a couple of seconds. Yeah. And back around. There you go. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up if you want to see more drone videos. I think I'm gonna bring them back in summer. So we can just record in our local park. Okay. Give us a thumbs. And we're also in our backyard, so we'll do that in the summer. Just stay tuned. Comment down below if we should do like a gaming Friday. Like every Friday we do like a game, like a gaming on our computer. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.